This is the RDAC5 series of digital to analog converters and headphone amps that feature USB, optical, and coaxial inputs as well as RCA outputs. It's available in two different colors of black and silver, and these are the perfect solution for getting the highest quality and fidelity from your audio systems in your home theater setup, from your PC or Mac whether you are listening to music or gaming, and it can also be used on gaming consoles so that you can use high-end headphones with your gaming console for a more immersive experience. The job of a digital to analog converter is to take digital samples that make up a stored recording in music and sound and turn it back into a nice continuous analog signal. To do that, it needs to translate the bits of data from digital files into an analog electrical signal at thousands of set times per second, otherwise known as samples. The unit then outputs a wave that intersects at all of those points. Now, not all digital to analog converters are created equal, and some do a better job of actually converting the digital files to an analog signal, which results in better audio quality and higher fidelity. For example, the built-in sound card on your computer will not be as good as a dedicated external digital to analog converter like the RDAC5. The RDAC5 series are Rockville's best digital to analog converters that offer 24-bit and 96 kHz high-resolution lossless audio. It can also do 192 kHz at 16-bit. Today's streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, and other music streaming services like Apple Music and Tidal offer content at a high resolution like 24-bit. However, without a digital to analog converter that is able to keep up with that content, you will not be able to get the full audio quality. So you can plug the RDAC5 series to your PC or Mac with the included USB cable, change the sound settings of your computer to match the RDAC5, and then listen to your favorite music or watch your favorite shows in the best audio quality through your headphones. The RDAC5 series also doubles as a headphone amplifier, so if you have a pair of high impedance headphones that require a little more juice, the RDAC5 is the best way to ensure that you are getting high fidelity and enough power to your high impedance headphones. There is even a gain knob on the front of the RDAC5 so that you can adjust the volume to your preference. If you were to plug your high impedance headphones into the headphone jack of your laptop or Mac, it would not give you enough power to fully move the drivers on your high impedance headphones. But by using the RDAC5, you are getting both the full 24-bit high fidelity and enough power to properly hear everything through your headphones. This is very useful if you like to mix music through high impedance headphones, or if you want to game on headphones. This will make the experience super immersive. Now, because the RDAC5 has an optical input, you can use an optical cable to connect it to your smart TV. Then you can use the RDAC5 to convert all the 24-bit content from your smart TV and distribute it to your home theater amplifier through the RCA output, or just listen directly on your headphones. There's also a coaxial input if you want to connect it that way. Just make sure to have the switch on the front of the device set to either optical or coaxial depending on which input you are using. Another great way you can use the RDAC5 is if you are gaming on a console that has an optical output like the PlayStation 4. Just connect with an optical cable and be prepared for a truly immersive gaming experience. And if you need help setting up your RDAC5, we made a full how-to video for it, so be sure to check that out. So if you're looking for a digital to analog converter and headphone amp that features USB, optical, and coaxial inputs, as well as RCA outputs, check out the RDAC5 series from Rockville.